Looks like it's dinner time for this cicada killer wasp, as it's dragging a cicada back to its burrow. Cicada killer wasps may look terrifying, but there's no need to worry. Unless they're grabbed roughly or stepped on with bare feet, they aren't aggressive. We're going to treat each individual burrow with a residual dusting application and a granular bait. The cicada killer wasp is going to pass through the dusting application every time it enters and leaves its nest. In a short amount of time, the cicada killer wasps will be exterminated.